Hello, I'm Ramin Siranayaka, and today on the series of developing an e-commerce web application, we're gonna discuss how to program a sign-up form. So here when we enter the necessary details, obviously we're gonna successfully sign up to the web application. But before that, let's see what the validations when we enter the invalid info to the form. Let's see what happens if we try to enter the form empty. It says that we have to enter the first name. Let's go ahead and enter the first name. Let's see what happens. Then it says last name, right? And then it says email and so forth. It's gonna display an error message until you fill the whole form. So how do we program this? Let's go to the code. So here we have the sign up box with the inputs of first name, last name, and so on. And here we have the database of the e-commerce application or e-shop. When we sign up to the database, our details are entered to the database. So how does it happen? And let's see how does it happen. Here we have the input for the input to enter the details, first name, last name, email, and so forth. And then we have the gender. So the options are taken from the database, and the to send the query we use the connection. So what the connection.php is, a connection that is built to the database from the e-commerce web application, as you can see right here. And I have used an select query to obtain the gender ID and the gender name, as you can see right here. And so let's for a test run, let's fill the form to see what happens. So I'm going to use test password. I'm going to put 1 2 3 4 5 6. Mobile number, I'm going to put and mail. Let's hit sign up, and there you go, the alert displays success. So let's see if it is entered to the end. There you go, the details we filled on the form is entered to the database. And so how does that happen? So when we click on the sign up button, the function sign up started to the function sign up starts. Let's see what that function is. So from here we get the elements, first name, last name, email, as you can see right here. From these IDs right here for the email and the last name, full first name, and so on. And those elements are assigned to variables, and I have created a new form data and assigned to the variable f, and the values of these elements are assigned to the form data, and that form data is sent by the post method to the signup process.php. And let's see what the signup process is. Here I have also required the connection.php to write these queries right here. So here I have obtained the values which are sent by the JavaScript and assigned it to these variables, and these are the validations that you saw previously on the web application. So if the first name is empty, the let's stay displays please enter your first name, and likewise if the first name is the length of first name is more than 45 characters, the alert displays that first name must be less than 45 characters, and so on. Here the we use an email validate filter to find the validation of the email that is entered. If it is not an valid email, the error message displays invalid email address, and so on. Here we have a regular expression for the mobile number, so starting with 07 and 07, and the third number is either 0, 1, 2, 4, 5, 6 or 7, 8, and the other numbers can be anything from 0 to 9, and it must be 10 characters, or otherwise the error message displays that mobile number must contain 10 characters. And if let's say the details you entered goes through this validation, right? And the database and here we send those details, the email and the mobile, through and select query to cross check with the database if the entered email or the mobile is in the database. If it is in the database, the error message displays user with the same mobile number or email already exists. Let's test that now. Let's press sign up, and there you go, the error message pop-ups. User with same mobile number or email already exists. And like we tested in the previous attempt, if all of it is correct and valid, the here we get the join date, as you can see right here. From the variable $d right here, we get a new date time, and the time zone is set to the Asia Colombo, the local time zone, and the time zone is set to the new time date that we created before, and the format of it is set right here, starting with year, month and date, hours, and minutes and seconds. And those details that we enter to the form are insert to the database using this insert query. Insert into user, first name, last name, email, password, mobile, join date, status, and gender ID. So gender ID, as you can see from right here, we select it from the select right here, and after those details are sent to the database, it displays a message success. And if we go back to the JavaScript, and here when the onReady state changes, function activates. When the ready state is 4 and the status is 200, the response text that is carried from the sign up process is brought to the JavaScript here and assigned it to the D. And if T equals success, the message right here. If T equals this, and the element right here, message, means the alert div right here, the alert div right here displays the message, and the background of it changes. The background of it changes with these class names added to the div, and the display none is removed, and the display block is set to that container right here. And if that is not the case, if the response text is not success, that means an error message. The error message is displayed in the message div, and the message div is displayed right here. And that's it for the programming of the sign up part. And let's meet again in the third part of the web development of the e-commerce web application. Thank you for watching.